Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today is a bit different. I am going to do a cooking video, but it's going to be a little bit of a let's go shopping. I received a request from one of you beautiful subscribers asking me if I can do something on a budget. Don't mind the baby because we're going to the store because of this. So thanks so much for that, Cheyenne. She did ask me if we can go ahead and create something for $10. She didn't tell me what. She just gave a budget, and I think I'm going to turn this into a series. So you guys let me know if I should turn it into a series where maybe you guys give me a budget and then I create a meal from that budget. I think that would be super cool. But we're going to be using pretty much what we have in the fridge, and I'm going to go to the store and see what other ingredients I can get to create whatever I want to make with her $10 budget. So let's go ahead and see how and what we're going to make from this. So stay tuned. Let's get going. So I think I'm gonna make some tacos now. Keep in mind we're on a budget, so we have to find the cheapest. The cheapest one. So this brand is $2.29. So I think I'll grab one of these. Now I also had some pineapple at home and wonton wrappers, so I think I'm gonna make like an egg roll maybe. So let's see. So I'm gonna use this. So I got the big bag of coleslaw. This is about $2.99. So I think I'm gonna make like a salsa. So I need a mangoes. It's 3 for $5. We don't need that much because we're on a budget. Let's grab one mango. Now we need some kind of fresh herb, but this might throw me over budget. So let's just see what we can do, because I think I'm gonna make a salsa and make like a shrimp taco, and then do like a egg roll or so. So I'm gonna grab a cilantro, and it's $2.29. Now I'm gonna take you guys down the aisle. Now I need to find, I can do it with like regular flour, but I'm gonna go and try to find a like a frying batter. All right, so I'm gonna get one of these because it's BOGO, buy one get one, and this is why I love Publix. So this is like the classic fish fry, so I'm just gonna grab the Cajun seasoning mix. That's gonna add some more flavor, and let's go check out. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. So we're over budget. All right guys, so I kind of went over budget, and everything that I'm gonna be using costs $11.34, and that's after taxes. So, well, no taxes. Oh well, $1.34 over. So it's still going to be a budget friendly situation. So let's go back home and see what we create. So this is what I got from the store. This is what we're going to be working with. This, that, that, and that. Okay, the Cajun fish fry seasoning. I bought a bag of coleslaw, cilantro, the tortilla, which I'm going to use for tacos, and a mango. Now what we have at home, I have some medium, this is supposed to be medium shrimp. I had this in the fridge. That don't look medium to me, but we're still gonna use it. I have some pineapple, one Scotch bonnet, and then I have a few pieces of chicken that we're gonna use for the wonton. Oh, I have my wonton wrappers too, and some wonton wrappers. Now I have, this is an open pack that I already had, but I also have a new pack here. So this is what we're gonna work with. So let's get started. So let's start working on the shrimp seasoning. Now you can season this however you want to season it. That's up to you. I'm just adding some simple onion powder, garlic powder. I will be adding some ginger powder to this. And I'm also going to add some, I think it's called scallion seasoning. We probably would call it shallot, but it's Jamaican seasoning that has allspice and a whole heap of other herbs and spices to it. So that's all I'm adding into that, and a little bit of chicken bouillon, not too much, seasoning it up and set it aside. Now, once that is done, we want to go ahead and start working on our salsa. Now, keep in mind, this is a budget meal, so the goal or the point of it is to use what you pretty much have at home already and just buy the bare minimum. So here I have some pineapple. This is actually a pineapple in coconut water. So it gives like a very sweet pina colada kind of taste to it, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to go ahead and dice this up evenly into little even squares. And then I will go ahead and do the same thing for the mango in order to start making our salsa. Now you definitely want to make sure everything is pretty much as even as possible. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to cut this up. Then I'll do the mangoes for you, and then some cilantro, my pepper, my Scotch bonnet pepper, and we'll get to making the salsa. Now what you want to do is go ahead and make some slices down, horizontal and vertical slices, and then you're going to go ahead and squeeze the mango. This is a little trick that I do. You can normally peel it, cut it off, do it however you choose to, but you want to go ahead and squeeze it and then turn it over, and it'll just pop those little cubes out. So from here I'm just going to go ahead and stop talking. So I'm gonna add, you guys are gonna see me add the mangoes and pineapple in the bowl. Then I'm just gonna add my pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, cilantro, a little bit of vinegar, and some seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and that's pretty much going to be your salsa. So continue watching. So let's get working on a coleslaw for the tacos. So to that, you're gonna go ahead and add some mayo to a bowl. Now you can make your dressing for your coleslaw however you want to do it. If you guys have a bomb recipe for coleslaw, fine, do what you guys do. This is how I typically make mine, minus a few other ingredients, because remember we're on a budget, so we can't go all out. So I went ahead and added some pickle juice, mayo. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my regular seasonings to this, a tablespoon of sugar. Nothing special about this, guys. Make it however you want to make it, and that will be your coleslaw recipe. So now I went ahead and added a little bit of brown sugar to my coleslaw mix. Don't knock it till you try it. I typically add white sugars, but I don't have any of that, so a teaspoon of brown sugar will do. And it's going to make the coleslaw a little bit sweet, but you still have the tang from the pickle juice. So what I want to go ahead and do is split the coleslaw mix into two. So I took a little bit of that out because I'm going to use it for my dressing for the tacos. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add half of the bag of the coleslaw into the sauce. You're going to mix it up, and then you want to go ahead and you're going to set that one aside, and you can pretty much put it in the fridge and let it chill. Now I'm going to add the rest of the coleslaw dressing and a bit of my homemade chili sauce, and that's going to be the dressing for the top. If you guys want the recipe for this chili sauce, just let me know. It's really, really simple, but it's so delicious. just let me know. So while everything is frying, we're gonna just get a little toastiness on our tacos. And I added some butter into the pan, nothing too crazy. And we're just gonna pretty much drop it and get it toasty. You don't want it swimming in the butter. Alright, so we're gonna this is the final toastiness on my tacos, on my tortillas. And then we'll get to assembly. Now after you toast up your taco shells, you're going to go ahead and just place that Cajun seasoning mix that we have into a bag. And guys, you can always make this yourself, a little bit of flour, a little bit of cornmeal, and some seasoning. But again, we're on a budget, so that's why we grabbed that. And also guys, just as a reference, I have no editing professional skills. I have no videographer. This is all me. So if you hear a little bit of crying in the background, that's my baby and my kids running around. I'm just doing something that I love. So I hope you guys don't mind. Anyway, so you're going to just pretty much throw your shrimp in the bag. And then you want to make sure there's air in it. At least I do that. And you want to shake it up as much as you can. And that is going to coat all of your shrimp. And then you're going to fry. So we're going to go ahead and fry up our shrimp, guys. And then we'll go straight to the assembly. So stay tuned. Okay, so now it's assembly time. Let's go ahead and assemble our budget meal. Oops, and there is a broken taco. Either way, let's move forward. So we're gonna just go ahead and lay 3 tacos down. Now this will be even cuter if you guys were to have those little taco stands and you fit each tortilla in the stand. It's gonna look so cute. I don't have that, so we're just working with what we have, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and lay the tacos down, and the first thing you want to do is add the coleslaw to the bottom of it, guys, and then you're going to just go ahead from that and add your shrimp. Now, because we have a good amount of shrimp, please don't be stingy on this shrimp. You hear? Add as much as you want to this taco. Make it hearty. Make it delicious. So once you add the shrimp, and the Cajun seasoning, by the way, has a little bit of kick to it. So the shrimp is chef kiss. So once you add the shrimp to it, you're going to go ahead and add your salsa to the top. And this mango pineapple salsa, guys, it is so good. It got my mouth watering right now as we talking. Anyways, it is so delicious. So once you do that, this is pretty much what we're going to be working with. And then you're going to go ahead and drizzle it a little bit with our chili mayo sauce. That's what I'm calling it. I don't know what other name to give it. You guys can give me a name for it if you want. Give me a name for it. But either which ways, you're going to drizzle it with your chili mayo sauce. And that is it. So let's just go ahead and jump into some food porn. So here is our finished product, guys. This is my shrimp taco with mango pineapple salsa. And this is all on a budget of $10. Okay, well, technically $11 because we did go over, but you still get the drift. And there's a huge portion left back that you can have for dinner, so you can eat from this serving multiple times. So let me know, guys, if you like today's video, and let me know if you guys want to continue to see more of these budget challenges. You guys can give me a challenge, a set amount of a budget. You guys can give me a dish. I'm trying to be more consistent, guys. So if you made it this far in the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, you know how we roll. Peace, love, and unity. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Stay blessed.